Today we will learn how to identify fractions by looking at coloured parts of a shape. A fraction represents parts of a whole. If we imagine a pizza cut into 4 equal-sized slices, if you take one slice, you now have 1 out of 4 pieces, which, written as a fraction, is 1 over 4. The bottom number is the denominator, which is how many equal parts the whole is divided into. The top number is the numerator, which is how many parts you have. Let's work through the first example together. What fraction of the circle is red? First, we count how many equal parts the circle is divided into. We can see that there are 5 equal parts in the circle. So in our fraction, 5 will be the denominator. Next, we count how many of the parts are coloured red. We can see that 3 of the parts are coloured red. This means in our fraction, 3 will be the numerator. So, the fraction of the circle that is red is 3 over 5. Let's have a look at the second example. What fraction of the square is gold? First, we count how many equal parts the square is divided into. We can see that there are 4 equal parts in the square. So, in our fraction, 4 will be the denominator. Next, we count how many of the parts are coloured gold. We can see that 1 of the parts are coloured gold. This means in our fraction, 1 will be the numerator. So, the fraction of the square that is gold is 1 over 4. Now it's your turn.